Greetings, people of the internet watching car videos. I've got a little update today on my Jaguar XJS. It sat for about a year and a half while I did some things out of the country, and just got it back, and it's not running so great. So I'm going to give you a listen, and then I'm going to show you why. Okay, so that sounded terrible, and the reason it sounds like that is because it's a 12-cylinder running on 4, and I find out that, yes, you can actually drive a 12-cylinder that's running on 4. I drove it to a store about 10 miles away and back just to see if it would clear up at all. That's before I took the time, started inspecting my injector wiring harness, and yeah. So as you can see, this was RTV'd on, which is no good. Over here you can see the insulation is gone, even down to the interior wire. If you can see there, the insulation's just not there anymore. The other ends don't look very much better. The good news is the injector wiring harness is readily available. I'm about to go order one, and that's that.